Today is day 6 of the IDF's operation against Hamas and Islamic Jihad in Al-Shifa hospital. 170 terrorists were neutralized in or around the Al-Shifa hospital compound while firing at our forces. The IDF apprehended hundreds of terror suspects with confirmed ties to Hamas or Islamic Jihad, making this one of the most successful operations since the start of the war. Today is day 6 of the IDF's operation against Hamas and Islamic Jihad in Al-Shifa hospital. 170 terrorists were neutralized in or around the Al-Shifa hospital compound while firing at our forces. The IDF apprehended hundreds of terror suspects with confirmed ties to Hamas or Islamic Jihad, making this one of the most successful operations since the start of the war. A large number of these terrorists were involved in planning and executing the brutal massacre of October 7th. This operation isn't over yet. Right now, Hamas and Islamic Jihad terrorists are barricading themselves inside the Al-Shifa hospital wards. Hamas is destroying the Al-Shifa hospital. Hamas is firing from inside the Al-Shifa emergency room and maternity ward, and throwing explosives devices from the Al-Shifa burn ward. Terrorists hiding around the hospital are firing mortars at our forces, causing extensive damage to the hospital buildings. I repeat, Hamas is firing mortars at the Al-Shifa hospital. Hamas is destroying the Al-Shifa hospital. Hamas hijacked the Al-Shifa hospital and hide behind the sick and the wounded, waging war from inside the Al-Shifa hospital. The IDF operates with precision, acts with care, especially towards the patient and the medical staff inside the hospital.
We are here at Al-Shifa hospital. This is the entrance to the hospital. This is the Qatari building. This is the emergency room. In this compound, many Hamas terrorist operatives and senior ones have been hiding in the hospital. And also Islamic Jihad group has been hiding in this hospital. When we entered the hospital, we were finding terrorists fighting against us.
We brought dozens of medical devices, over 10,000 units of medications, hundreds of medical supplies, as well as food, water, and other equipment into the Shifa hospital. When Hamas's attacks resulted in the failure of the hospital's generator, our troops helped restore the electricity to the hospital. Our operation at Shifa Hospital proves once again Hamas systematically uses hospitals to wage war and consistently uses the people of Gaza as human shields.
Stay with the Times of India for news breaks, analysis, interviews and events. We bring you stories from your neighborhood and from across the globe as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the like button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos.